India has expelled a second official from the Pakistan High Commission within a span of just 8 days. The Ministry of External Affairs made the announcement on Wednesday, citing the official's involvement in activities, and I quote, not in keeping with his official status. The individual has been declared persona non grata and has been asked to leave the country within 24 hours. This comes on the heels of a similar expulsion on May 13 when another Pakistani official was removed for allegedly indulging in espionage while stationed in India. These diplomatic steps are unfolding against a backdrop of heightened military and political tension between the two neighbors. The situation intensified after India carried out Operation Sindoor, a large scale strike targeting 9 terror bases in Pakistan and Pakistan occupied Kashmir. The operation was launched in retaliation for the Pahalgam terror attack on April 22nd, in which 26 tourists lost their lives. That incident marked one of the deadliest terror strikes in Jammu and Kashmir since the Pulwama attack in 2019. A shadow group of the banned Pakistan based Lashkar-e-Taiba, known as the Resistance Front, claimed responsibility for the Pahalgam killings. According to the MEA, while it did not specify the exact charges against the latest Pakistani official, New Delhi simultaneously summoned Pakistan's charge d'affaires and issued a démarche, a strong diplomatic warning. The message: Pakistani officials in India must not misuse their diplomatic privileges or status in any way. Meanwhile, the first Pakistani official expelled on May 13 is believed to be linked to an ongoing espionage probe by the Punjab police. Just days earlier, on May 11, the police had arrested two individuals, including a woman, in connection with spying activities. These activities were reportedly coordinated with the Pakistani official based in Delhi. The recent military escalations peaked with India and Pakistan exchanging strikes and counter-strikes following Operation Sindoor, despite both countries agreeing on May 10 to cease all military actions across land, air, and sea. The agreement was violated by Pakistan just hours after it came into effect. The fresh expulsion now underscores the deepening diplomatic rift, with both sides hardening their positions. As tensions mount, the Indian government is making it clear it will not tolerate any misuse of diplomatic cover, especially in times when national security is under the spotlight.